Beneath the frozen surface of Antarctica's seas drifts a creature so small it might seem insignificant. Yet it is the heartbeat of the entire Southern Ocean. This is the Antarctic krill, tiny, shrimp-like crustaceans only a few centimeters long. But in their billions, they form one of the most vital ecosystems on Earth. Krill are the silent architects of Antarctic life. They gather in vast swarms, sometimes stretching for kilometers, dense enough to stain the water red. Each swarm contains millions of individuals, moving as if guided by one pulse. Feeding on microscopic phytoplankton that bloom beneath the sea ice in summer, krill transform the invisible energy of the sun into a resource that sustains nearly every creature in the Antarctic food chain. Penguins dive through their ranks, filling their bellies before returning to hungry chicks on the ice. Seals and whales gorge on them by the ton, with the great blue whale consuming several tons of krill in a single day. Even seabirds, cling high above the waves, depend on their abundance to survive the long polar seasons. Without krill, the frozen continent would fall silent. Their resilience is astonishing. Krill can survive the dark Antarctic winter by shrinking their bodies, conserving energy, and feeding on the algae hidden beneath the sea ice. In doing so, they bridge the gap between seasons, ensuring that life continues when the world around them seems locked in endless night. But their story is not just one of survival, it is one of fragility. Climate change and melting ice threaten the phytoplankton blooms on which they depend. Industrial fishing has begun to target their swarms, raising concerns about how much the ecosystem can endure. If krill decline, the ripple effect would touch everything from the smallest petrel to the largest whale. The Antarctic krill is proof that in the natural world, greatness does not always come in size. Sometimes it lies in numbers, in resilience, and in the hidden connections. Bonds that tie an entire ocean together. In the endless cold of the Southern Ocean, these tiny beings remain